Hi, this is Charles Figley again. Well, you completed hopefully KB or Knowledge Block 1, which looks at the universality of trauma. Well, how it's everywhere. You just have to look for it and know what to look for. And now we're going to be focusing on Knowledge Block 2, which focuses on the causes of trauma. And you'll see that there are quite a few causes of trauma. And what we cover, we group them. We have different groups. The first one is focusing on the psychosocial and emotional aspects of trauma. In other words, that comes with the traumatic experience, that colors it and characterizes it. There are a number of people, for example, who have had an original trauma, maybe an auto accident or some sort of frightening event that's specific to them. Well, that caused the trauma initially, but also makes them more vulnerable to similar kinds of experiences. Some people actually do quite well as a result of experiencing a trauma because they know how to deal with the situation. They're less surprised. But there are other people who are just terrified by their experience, and it provides, in some ways, an echo effect, a long lasting effect that comes back at various times.